Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba aún así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta.
Gotta start dancing him like too. I'm just relaxing in the deck below. We got the little window open right here. We got another view right here. Alright everybody, what's up? And welcome back. Just got back from the little boat trip you saw. But I got some stuff to solder because I'm gonna solder all the stuff, not all the stuff that I need to solder, but I'm gonna solder the main things that I need to, like, I mean the one thing that I can pull out, which is the fuel pump. For the injectors, I'm gonna have to like cut into the harness and solder those, but I'm gonna see if there's a, I might have to do it on the car. I might have to do it on the car. It's gonna be uncomfortable and it's gonna suck, but oh well. So anyways, let's get to soldering this stuff over here. Alright, so we about to do some soldering. Goddamn batteries time.
Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo bien quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi, buscaba aún así. Desde que te vi, buscaba aún así. Y por fin te conseguí.
Man, that looks so ugly. Let that focus. Oh, what the fuck is that? Alright, let's try to see if I guess this side now. Alright, so I went ahead and redid it because the other ones look like complete. You guys saw them, like. Let's see if I can focus on this real quick. I redid it because before it looked like complete shit. I mean, it still doesn't look the best, but I mean, it looks better than what it was. And I'm able to get the shrink wrap over it. And this is red, but I had put shrink wrap in before and I kind of accidentally melted it. But anyways, let's do the other one. Alright, so I got it done. Here's the final product. Not the prettiest, but it'll get the job done. Let's hope. Alright, so these are the ones for the injectors. I kind of already made one right here, how it's supposed to go. Still gotta crimp it, but that's basically what I'm gonna be, those are the ones for the injectors right there, and then I gotta solder these on to the harness, and then yeah, we'll be good to go. Alright, you guys, so this is the connector that's gonna go to the harness of the S2000, and then so I had to cut these. I ran out of black, so I had to use this blue, and then I got 1 or 2 more to do. I'll show you guys how I do these right now, but it's fairly easy. Hard patience is required, because if not, you could fuck it up. I already fucked it up once. I was able to save it, so I'll go for that. But anyways, let's continue. Alright, so I got everything, the pump in there, all good, ready to go. Looking all nice and pretty. Well, to the best of my ability, but let's get it in there now. Alright, so I came to install the stuff. Had trouble. Fuel pump, fucking a piece broke off. And now basically it's the measuring thing broke off, so now it just droops down. It's having trouble putting it in because it's hitting the bottom of the tank and it's not letting it go sit on all the way. And then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a break. Then we'll go do the injectors. Went to do injectors and I'm having trouble soldering the stuff on, and then just became a big mess. So I decided to take a break. I'm gonna call it a day for today. But I mean, I got pretty far. There's just little things here and there. I need extra help putting that, you know. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.